Well, I did say earlier on today, rain and storms were expected. So storms, not just rain, and that looks pretty heavy to me. Understandably so. It's pretty swift to get off the court right now. Of course, being a clay court, they can take a certain amount of moisture, but not this amount. So, Stephen's wanting that the point has started, so to stop in between serves isn't right. The dispute. Instead, when they
Ladies and gentlemen, the match is
just clarifying there, as in feeling that it was bad sportsmanship because, of course, Zheng hit the first serve, missed it, so he's going to hit the second serve, but then he rained a little heavier. So the Chinese player decided that it was too heavy and the play should stop. And I think Cecilia Alberti probably siding with the Chinese player, that you wonder what she had done that had she made the first serve. Of course, they would have had to play the point out. As it is, that's the real reflection of what's happening right now. A lot of the fans have got inside. It's raining pretty heavily. And it's all a little worrying. As I say, that the forecast for today was in the late afternoon there would be showers.